is a makeup tutorial, as you can see from the title down below. I created this easy date night look for Valentine's Day. I just wanted something that was playful, flirty, not over the top. I came up with this. I love playing with neutrals, but just swaying away from the brown, because I was using a lot of browns and I keep using a lot of brown. Not that there's anything wrong in it. Brown is my color for eyes. So yeah, today I used all the shades of purples and pinks. So did a light cut crease. This is totally wearable with any outfit you're wearing. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, but before we dive right into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to stay notified for every time I upload a video. Now let's get into the video. So we're gonna start with the eyes first. I literally have nothing on my face right now. I just have some heavy moisturizer. And the palette that I'm using is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. It doesn't have any crazy shades in it. It is this eyeshadow palette. I'd gotten this from Sephora a couple, I think last year sometimes. And I actually just forgot to use this. So today I was looking through all my palettes and I was like, you know what, I've never played with this, so let's just also play with this and see how the color payoff is. Also, this is a really cool stuff because it comes with a highlighter, a blush, and some bronzer. The other side had some eyeliners, which is right here, and I don't know where the other two went. I think I used up the mascara and the lip gloss. I usually don't use lip gloss, so I might have lost that. I'm just going to do my brows and everything else. So this is going to be using a lot of these, which is the pinks and the purples. So I really want to do like a pastel, smoky yet glittery glam Valentine's Day date look. Jewel box, just this brown in the palette, and just placing it all over my lid. This is the transition shade. I'm gonna take this pink, I don't know if you can see, it's called Dynasty. Now, of course, I'm going to deepen it up a little bit using a darker violet. I'm taking like a warmer color, which is the Wheel from the palette, and just blending everything together. So I'm going to take Zest, which is this indigo blue from the palette. And I'm going to keep the blue inside my eyelid and not take it on top. Now I'm going to take a flat brush like this and cut out your crease. Glitter, which is the stained glass in the palette, and just pressing it on. And just blend that with the glitter. Like so. Now I'm going to do this eye off camera and then get back to the entire face. Got the Norvina palette. Use the Wild Child from this and just slowly pat it on top of the purple shimmer. Kind of gives you that iridescent shine. I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the NYX Total Drop Foundation, and actually just dropping it on my face. Going to go in with this one. I am in the shade Sand in the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I don't want to do a lot to my forehead because I mean I always have hair there, like my fringes, that's what I mean. to set everything. I still want this makeup to look a little dewy, which is why I'm not going to set it with a loose powder, and I'm just going in with the Estee Lauder Perfectionist. I'm gonna go back to my eyes and just finish the lower lash line. Take this pink, which is the Dynasty. Now I'm going to take this deeper purple and put it in the outer corner. Now from the Norvina palette, I'm going to take a little bit of the pink, put it around my inner corners. Myself so one tone, so I am using the Tantour by Huda Beauty in the shade Light. It blends really seamlessly, by the way. Now taking the Hoola bronzer. So now that my bronzing is in place, today I'm going to do some liquid blush. It is the Dandelion Dew from Benefit. And does it have a shade, or is that the shade? It's Soft Baby Pink. Radiance for Cheeks. Now, of course, like usual, I always break the pumps. I somehow drop it straight down and I break it. So I've been using it like this. Take it out in my hands and pat it on my cheeks because this shit was expensive. And just like that, it melts into your skin. With a beauty blender, just pushing it inside a little bit. Mascara that we have completely ignored and forgotten. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex because there is nothing better than this mascara, really. I actually have to try the Benefit Bad Gal. Heard really good things about that. For my lower lash line, I use the Lash Princess by Essence, since the spoolie is pretty tiny on this and it's just easier to get to my tiny baby lashes. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the What's Up by Benefit. I used to have a baby one, if you guys remember, but now I have a bigger one because I think I finished the baby one or I lost it. I don't know. Either one. So the way I like to use this, my beauty sponge. So I like to take the sponge on this and take like a decent amount. I love stick highlighters and just press it onto my skin. Do you see that? Love that highlighter in the stick form. If you guys ever get a chance, just go out and try it, buy it, and you guys will love it too, I promise. Now, lips. Okay, so you guys pretty much know how I feel about dark lips. Now, if you guys want, you guys can do a dark lip, but I'm not for dark lips. So I'm using the Matte Petal from Clinique. It's the Long Last Soft Matte Lipstick. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty pink. But I'm going to do a cocktail, so. And then next I'm going on with the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Kiss. These are pretty drying. I'm using the NYX setting spray. I just ordered it from Nika because I've heard reviews about this and apparently it's really nice and I never tried any other facial mist than the MAC and the Primer Water by Smashbox. Make sure you always set your face so that your makeup is long lasting. A little extra step I like to do at the end is like take a powder puff without any powder on it and just don't rub your face and stuff, just press it. It's just this thing that I've been doing and it just works. Like I feel like everything just melts into the face and becomes your skin. So yeah, I just like doing that, and that's basically it. Alright guys, so this is my makeup look for Valentine's Day date night. This is what I came up with. So it's very wearable. You can switch the colors if violet or purple is not your color or pink is not your color, but I feel like this is so playful, it's fun, it's girly, and it is something that's not brown or like a mauve or something like that. So yeah, if you don't want to do a cut crease, you don't have to. You can literally use the glitter inside, but just cut crease gives it more definition, and that's the only thing. I usually don't ever do cut creases, but I mean for this look I just felt like cut crease was a little bit necessary, so I just did that. I honestly love how this look turned out. Let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of this look. This was all for this video guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!